I didn't see that coming. But I also don't wear my glasses all the time. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. I don't know if the title wasn't clear enough, so let me just probably not read what the title says because I usually change my mind a couple times before settling on a good title. We're gonna be playing with this Morphe palette because it's been a long time since I've played with Morphe eyeshadows. Once upon a time, I want to say Morphe was probably like the first or one of the first big palettes I ever got. And this is the 18T Truth or Bare Artistry palette from Morphe. And as the color on the box suggests, I think we're going to run into a lot of bare, 18 shades that own up, dare to bear, all with these beyond blendable neutrals that speak for themselves. Because being on display is just how you like it. Ooh. Oh. Okay, Morphe. I mean, also, I've always loved how they package their... Ma'am? I've always loved how they package their palettes because they double bubble wrap before they put it in here. I think that's cool. What? Truth or Bare plastic. I think the one I got once upon a time was the cardboard one. Oh, was that you? Oh my god, it was the insert. Oh, that's cute. It's got the names on it. Oh, can I show you nicely? Ta-da! Okay, we're very neutrally giving businesswoman. I know I should say fall, but like we had a 108-degree day today, and it's the coldest day it's been in a while. So this is not this is not fall. This is very businessy because I want to put it on now. But here she is. Here she is. New palette. We got mattes. I got some shimmers. Is this like a glittery? I don't think you could put glitters in eye shadows. They call it something else, but that's pretty cool. Liking it, liking the colors. We're gonna do a very basic look today. I have very basic makeup on, and this blush, by the way, is supposed to be purple. In my mirrors, it's not coming off purple. A little bit of my viewfinder, so I'm wondering if editing me later will see it and be like, oh my god, purple. Because me right now, that's not purple. But colors. Let's get started. And it comes with this gigantic mirror. I do like that. I do. So then I can hold this, show you, and then look at me instead of going and glancing over there at my tiny mirrors and hoping something works out. It doesn't always. That's okay. So we're going to start with, I want to do a transition shade. I don't know if I want to do like more gray or if I want to do more like, what do you call this, beige? I wanted to say camel. I'm not fancy like that, so we're just going to call it beige to brown. Oh, I am a matte girly though. If you haven't heard me say it already, if I were to have additional child and it were to be a boy, its name would be Matt, because I am in love with the mattes. That's a me thing. That's me. That's okay. This guy, I'm going to lay right here all along the crease. Kind of like puff, 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 pitter patter it in there. That way it goes above the crease and then a little bit below. Because then we're going to have other shades that come in, blend with that one. And kind of make it like a seamless transition. Get it? Transition. This is really pretty on its own. I like this one. What are you? You don't have the name. That's the only bad thing about this, is the name is on here. How do I? Oh, so nude. Okay. Well. All right. I do typically come in with tape, but today we're not. That's okay. I like that color just as it is. Oh, I want to do this brown so bad. I've been loving browns, honestly. I carry around this brown eyeshadow stick wherever I go, and I put it on all the time. I love it. But there's so many pretty colors. Like, now that I'm looking at this, like, we have these ones that are like, I don't know if this is purple or brown. This is purple, this is purple, this is purple. This has like undertones of purple. This one could be a penny. But like purple, and I'm just like, oh, this is so pretty. But then you have like this goldy looking one. These are the things editing me edits out, because I sometimes sit here and talk to myself for the longest time about the colors and how pretty they are and which ones I want to go with, but I can't decide. And I'm actually, no, we'll use this one. I'm going to come in backwards because I do want to use this one over here. And I feel like once I get this out of my system, we can move on to the rest. But we'll see. And yes, I am an inner corner girly. Come up in here. Inner corner. Just a smidge onto the bottom. But then this on the top, I'll drag it all the way across because we're going to blend her in with the rest of it. Very nice. Loving it. Other side. There we go. Alright. Can I just like do all of this shimmer now? This is actually coming out pretty good. Just saying, for a Morphe palette, like back in my day, once upon a time, we were the queen of chalk. But now, we're looking pretty nice. I mean, to me, it's looking pretty nice. Ooh, I kind of want to use this brown now for like my crease. Ooh, but I was kind of going, you know what? We're doing it. We're doing it just a little, like the littlest little bit. Let's warm her up. There we go. I do like to stay just on the lid and usually come in a little over halfway. But more on the lid than the crease, but still up near the crease. That looks pretty okay, right? Yeah, we're okay. And this one I'm plopping down and dragging a little bit. Or you can use those little circles. Yup. Yup. Yup, 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 yup. This is nice. Oh, I kinda... Let me just bring her down a little bit more. Gently all over. Is this more of a camel color? Is the other one a beige camel and this is a tanned camel? I don't know. Yeah, this brown had to come down and join the rest of us. I really like that brown. Dang it. But I still want to come in. I want to do this one, but I feel like this one's too like red brown, and this one is more like brown brown. And I'm just doing a smidge. I said that with the other one, didn't I, though? Just a smidge. This one I'm going to bring to the bottom edge of my crease and the edge of my eyeliner line. Does that make sense? Outer corner. And I drag it across the lash line. Just a smidge, not even halfway. I'm going to try to like stay on the lash. Just teeniest, tiniest little triangle. To give the outer eye that depth. Yeah. Just a smidge. Right? Just a smidge. Okay, that was more than a smidge. That was a little bit more than a smidge. That's me. That's on me. My bad. Yeah. Better. And while I'm at it, let's do just a little bit of the bottom lash line. Just a little bit. Better. Yeah, this is no longer a like subtle businessy woman palette. This is a full-on fall palette. My bad. Or in my case, a very Arizona toned palette. Yeah, that's, what did you call yourself? Truth or Bear? Sure. Do I want to do that middle? Come here, brush. That middle, cause like I got I mean, I can do another shimmer, but I feel like that shimmer really does well on its own. I mean, I could. Do I have a? I want like this one, but a shimmer, and I don't have that. I have this one that's like a penny, depending on the light that I put it in. I mean, they have the gold, but then like, I don't like any of these. I'm trying to stick with the one palette so I could like, I don't want gold. I know I mean, I want gold, but I don't want gold. Not with this look. I'm going for this one, honestly. Let's pitter patter it in. Tap off all that excess. I know I come in a lot because these are new, and I want to kind of like scrape off whatever they have on the top. Okay, that's not bad. Oh, that was the correct choice. And then I come in here after I place it on like the center of my eye and really drag it back and forth gently towards the inner corner to help blend it with that first color I put down. That looks good. Oh, and I forgot, before I forget. Finish up the bottom lash with this one too. And you can take it, plop it, and rub it all over because I've already added a lot of color. This is just to fill in the missing spots. Directly on the lash. Which way do you go? This way? Yeah. Put the little thing back in. Yeah, that's what the thing is. It makes noise. But, ooh, a lip. Hold on. Does anybody else, like, after you put on lip liner and then your lippy, do you feel like you need to come back in with more lip liner? Is it just me? Normally I've used a very close, oh by the way I used a Morphe pencil and a Melt makeup lippy. This is the Makeup Talk shade. Very cutesy. Normally I come in with very similar shades, and it's only been recently, since I did that Melt makeup video, that I've been using colors that complement each other. Very similar, but very different. You know what I mean? No? That's okay. Anywho, this is the finished look. How is she? I like... The blush is still confusing me, but the eyes... I have always purchased from Morphe. Probably will always purchase from Morphe. They do good things here and there. Oh, by the way, I think the brushes that we're using, yeah, Morphe times Ariel. Cute, right? But I think for the most part, they're doing some things right. And I know they're going to be like, or I see, not that I think, but I see, they're like trying to re-put themselves back out there after they did the whole like bankruptcy kind of thing. But this is it. This is the whole look. The eyeshadow came out great. I feel like this is a pretty good everyday kind of palette too, which is like so bad because I just got back down to, I want to say 2. I was going to say 3, but I think I got back down to 2 everyday palettes in my bathroom. But this one's going to come with me. It's not staying in my, I don't want it to stay in my office. I want it to come with me so I can use it in my bathroom. So like if I'm getting ready, brushing my teeth, I could just pop this on real quick because it is difficult to open. Oh, but these colors, I mean, I could just pop a shimmer on. Oh, and it's summer, so we're going to be going into fall and then winter. So I got these cute little like plummy colors. Oh. Yeah, that's just me though. Anywho, I'm yapping because that's what I do at the end of all of these videos. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, what other Morphe products I should try? Because like I've been looking and your girl wants to buy, but we'll see. I'm gonna go now. Thank you for hanging out with me. It's been fun to do an eyeshadow look. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.